everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video, I will share how you can create a backup of your website, create a staging website, not only on your server, also on a different server from your website remotely. So you don't have to download and manually upload on another server. And there will few more options to backup your website into cloud storage. So let's get started. At first, come to the plugin and go to add new plugin and search for the backup, and you will find the similar search result page. And this time I will go with this backup migration, but you will find lots of the other options, but I am not going to try one by one of those plugins. So I will go with this specific one. Click to install now, and then it will be installed. Let's activate. After it will activate it, you will find a similar window. You can just allow or continue or just skip. And then you will find all the plugin option available here. On this page, you can create backup. You can click to create a backup, and you can select what will be on this backup. So you can exclude any plugin theme from here, even WordPress installation. So here you have a few options, but those comes on the premium plan. So on the free plan, basically you have no choice right this moment. You can also exclude file by the size. You can exclude some folder. So suppose if you are using a third-party backup plugin, you can exclude them from here. It will also exclude a specific file. So like if you create a backup using all-in-one WP backup, it will create a WPress backup. So you can just add this file type to exclude from this plugin backup. So it will be more smaller, and you will have only those files you are required to create a backup and restore in the future. You can also exclude by file path or the directory path. You can also explore by those options. If you hover over, you will see the file path or the directory path. So directory path means a specific folder. So if you have any specific folder or the location you would like to just exclude from the backup, so something like some plugin create a OFP format of your original images, you can just exclude them. Or if you have any specific file path that you would like to exclude, it's totally fine. You can exclude from there. Here are a few more options for smart exclusion. So if you don't want to include the spam comments or other things like caching, post revisions, or non-used theme plugins, you can do it from here, but it's still on the roadmap, so it will be available very soon. So here is the summary. You are having that this amount of data will be saved on the backup. So you can just save changes. So let's see other option from there. So here you will find some other options such as where you will backup those things. You can save your backup on your hosting server. So it will be saved on the WP content folder and backup migration. So this will be the directory path. You can also enable to access this file using direct link. You can also pick to no option, so it will not be accessible. So if you make it available, then you can download using your download manager or your browser. So you can later use this or upgrade to the another server. There are a few more options, but most of the things comes with the premium as usual with such like the other backup plugin. here is a few more options. So you can set the backup file name, you can choose the file type, you can choose the encryption, but as I said before, those comes with the premium plan, so we are not going with this option. There are a few more options, like you can get email notification if you prefer, so you can just to start the backup process, then doing your other stuff on new tab and insert your email that will confirm when the backup is ready, you will get notified. So you can explore other things here. So there is the another things I would like to highlight. So sometimes the web server has a specific timeout limit. You can bypass from here. You can also bypass the server limit. So you can also check from there. Sometimes the server has a specific limit of execution time. Sometimes it's set the limit for the file size, so you can bypass using those. Here is the CLI execution path. You can also check, but I am going to make this tutorial for all the beginners, so I'm not going with all the advanced things. I just going to give you a just idea to so you can explore later. So we are all set. We can create a backup. So let's get started. So we can just click to create a backup now. Okay, we are fine. So it will give you a summary here or the log file. You can just wait for a few moments to create the backup. As I am using the Pantheon server, very fast compared to other hosting. So the process might be faster than your server, but don't worry, it will be ready very soon. So here is the backup. I can just copy or download. So let me try to download using my file manager. Actually, it's download manager. So I'm using free download manager on my Mac. So I'm going to use, you can use IDM. It's totally fine, or even other download manager, whatever you are using. So it's downloading fine on my computer. So it has been downloaded. I have done on other window because of some security purpose, but you can just use to download. Now you can restore using this backup. So let's create another staging website. This plugin company has called TestWP. I have a video tutorial about this on my YouTube channel. You can just search on the channel to find out. It will allow you to create a staging website in just a few seconds without any technical knowledge, and it's totally free. So after you sign up and logged in, from the dashboard, create a new site and choose your environment. So this time I'm not going with any debug option and not any pre-made plugin. So all fine. I'm just giving a custom site name. So it's done. You see, it's very faster. Let's click. So it will give you a magic link to automatic access your server and search for the backup plugin. And from there, we will pick this option as usual and then click to active. Then I have already created a backup. So let's restore the backup. Let's upload the backup file, but I have already downloaded. Just drag the file here. It's just a 85 megabyte. Upload has been done. Okay. Then click to restore. Then in the restore process, if your internet is down for some reason, the backup process will be gone and you might be lose access to your server. So make sure you have the cPanel login credential and you have a stable internet. Better to have mobile data or some other stable option. Or if you're using the Wi-Fi or broadband, make sure to have power backup so you will not lose the access of your website in the middle of the backup process. So it could take a few moments. And after that, I will share another great thing. So you can create a staging website without manually create a backup, download things on your computer and upload on your staging website. It will make the whole process very faster. So we are almost done. Just 9% remaining. So finally our store has been done. So let's think, is everything is good or not? So let's go back our website. Oh, you might feel logged in here, or it's already logged us. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's click to flash our permalink. So as you know, after you have migrated your website, you must do the permalink flash. So let's see if everything is fine. Okay, this page is not exist. Okay, the sample page is here. Okay, that's fine. This is was a basic website with some of my troubleshooting there. So there has some media files and plugins file which make the website is a bit larger than expected. So you see there has not much pages, but the size is way more larger. So let's see how we can do the same thing without manual process. So here is our backup migration. Let's back to the create a staging site, and here has two options. One is you can do the things on your own server, and it will be like your website domain name slash the folder name you will set here. It will create a staging site there, and there is the test WP server. So it will create a staging website on their server. You can access it from there. So let's try this one. So here is our backup. If you don't have any backup, at first create a backup. So it will be available. Then you can have option to create a staging website. So let's click to here and create a staging website from there. So I'm going to pause the video. So after the process has been done, I will resume. This time it's way more faster. So let's see our new server. Okay. Oh, this is very faster. We should try this at the beginning. Okay, it's all done. Our website will be available for next 7 days. So let's flash our permalink cache. Okay, select the post name. Okay, and check the website. Okay, everything is good here. So this is how you can create a staging website on your own server and the third-party server. From there, just a single click. I just love this. So here I have a few more options, like you can manage your backup or restore or even delete. If you have the premium plugin, you will have more option. So let me set up the premium plugin. So I have installed the pro version of this plugin. So let's explore. So now we will have more option unlocked for the premium plan. And here I will have option to exclude upload folder or exclude the other things from the WP content folder, and all the things I can just include or exclude. Those things still in roadmap as I shared with you before, so it's not available even for the premium user at this moment. And now you can set up your backup to your cloud, so you can just select from there. So you can select any cloud storage from there to create a backup on this cloud server. So my license key was not activated, that's why it was not accessible all the other option. So I have just activated my license, and now you can select the Google Drive option. So you can select the directory path and connect. So let me connect to my Google Drive. So I'm going with my personal. Okay, so it has been set up and the status is active. Now I can save changes and then select other things. I can select the file name. So it can take year, month, date, or whatever you would like to have. So it will be my domain name and the file path or the general file name. You can just delete everything as you prefer. And you can select all the other options, but it's still on the coming soon mode, so it's not available at this moment. So that's fine. Let's check the other option. You can select if the register has been done, so you can enable this option, but it's still on coming soon. You can hover over and see who is on the coming soon. But for the future they are going to introduce in near future, it's amazing. So you can start using this plugin, and here you will have few more options. You can just check and ensure you explore all the things from this plugin. So let's create a backup and save on my Google Drive folder. So let's create a backup again and wait for a moment. So at first it will create a backup and then it will push the backup file to cloud storage. That's why it take a few more seconds, not much, just a few more seconds. So you can download from there or you can check from your Google Drive folder. So let's check from there. So after the backup has been done, it will take a few moments to save on the Google Drive. You can go back here and you will see the check mark. If it's available on the Google Drive, you will see this check mark. Otherwise, you will see the pending option here. So after I have checked my Google Drive, I found the backup migration folder has been created, and there I have two backup. One is the oldest one and one is the latest one. So I can just save the things for my future uses, and you can also download the backup from here. You can delete from here or even restore from here. So this is my old backup. I don't want to use this one, so I can just delete this backup. So it will be deleted, and it could take a few moments to delete. So you can refresh to check the update, and you can also create the staging website whenever you have premium, and here you will have all the backup option. You can select which one you would like to use to create a staging website, and here you can check the staging website and access directly from there. So I hope that helps, and if you have any specific question about this, just leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thank you so much.